You want to see a glimpse of the future, the smartphone future? This is it. It's the Vivo Apex, and it contains elements that we may see in future Vivo phones, and because we've already seen their super cool in-display fingerprint sensor, evidence of other trends other manufacturers may pick up on. This is a Vivo Apex, and you're going to want to see it. Straight away you notice that this is a proper full screen phone. No notches, no massive chin at the bottom. This has got 1.8mm bezels around the side, and it's 4mm at the bottom. Something really crazy. You'll also notice that there's no furniture, there's no sensors, there's no selfie cam, and there's no fingerprint sensor either. You may recall Vivo was the first to implement the in-display fingerprint sensor. Well, they're doing something similar with this, but they're taking it to the next stage. This is a concept, so it's not working quite as you'd expect it to on a final phone, but this is the demo. What they've done is that they've integrated the in-display fingerprint sensor to cover half of the bottom of the screen instead of just one specific point. So the idea being that you can just rest your fingerprint anywhere on the screen without having to look where you're putting your thumb. And as you saw there, it took a couple of goes to get it right, but it is a concept and would obviously be refined for any future release. The other advantage of this larger fingerprint area is that you can register 2 fingerprints and then use both your thumbs or 2 other fingers to unlock the phone. Twice the fingerprints, twice the security. There's even a way that you can register somebody else's fingerprint on here, so it takes 2 people to unlock it. So perhaps you only use it for banking or something like that, and you want your partner's fingerprint on there as well as yours, you can do that. And it requires both fingerprints to be put onto the screen at the same time to unlock the screen. Really unusual, never seen that before. So that's the first really cool aspect that we like of this phone. The second is the selfie cam. Where is it? Well, you're going to like this because I think it's really awesome. We'll go into the camera and we'll flip round to the front cam, and there's the selfie cam, and there's Julian filming this. The selfie cam pops out of the top in 0.8 seconds, so it's plenty fast enough, and then disappears again with a touch of the button and you're back to the rear camera. It keeps everything neat. We've sort of said, well, maybe this could be a little bit faster, but ultimately it's fine for what it is, but the motion itself is really cool, and I don't think we'd ever get tired of watching that. The full display itself looks stunning, and if we look at a video, you can see how great it looks. This is 18:9, it's a full HD plus resolution and 6 inches. And the 6-inch size of the phone fits perfectly in our hand, really comfortable and very easy to hold. As a screen size and a device size, it's bordering on the perfect. So when are you going to see this phone? Well, you're not. What's going to happen is Vivo may take elements of this and put it into future smartphone releases. So it might be that we see the fingerprint sensor, we might see the pop-up selfie cam, we might see this beautiful proper full screen display. At the moment, this phone is not going to go on sale, but look out for bits of it in future Vivo phone, or if other manufacturers are watching, other really cool smartphones for the future. That is the Vivo Apex.